Alright, so on Monday, we did the product rule for exponents with rational exponents. So rational means fractions, right? So last week we did rational exponents with the power rule. Now, if you look at this problem, it says m to the 1/2 power times m to the 1/4 power in parentheses raised to the 1/3 power. I know it looks a little crazy because it has a bunch of fractions, but we'll do this step by step together. So the product rule tells us that we have to add the exponents together. So that means that we have to add the 1/2 and the 1/4 together as fractions. So here I just rewrote the problem, and here in brackets we're gonna do the m to the 1/2 times m to the 1/4. And to do that, we have to do 1/2 plus 1/4. So if you see right here, what I did was, when we do the 1/2 plus the 1/4, we have to get the least common denominator. So that means that we have to get a number that both the denominators will be the same. So 2 times 2 is 4, and in a fraction, what we do on the bottom, we do on top. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 2/4 and 1/2 are the same fraction, but 1/2 is the simplified version of 2/4. So now both of them have 4 in the denominator, see? So now we just add the numerators together. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it becomes 3/4. So now I rewrote it that when we do the product rule here, we added the fractions, and now it becomes m to the 3/4 to the 1/3 power. And according to the power rule, what we do is we multiply. So now we have to do 3/4 times 1/3. So when we multiply, we go straight across the numerator. 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. And if we simplify it, you guys don't have to simplify it, but if we simplify it, which is the more correct answer, is m to the 1/4 power.